Good morning, students. So today we'll do new topic, new topic that is reaction with water of chemical reactions. Okay. So in the previous video we have discussed about reaction with oxygen, that means of chemical properties. Here we have started chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Now first property, that is reaction with oxygen, we have done. Second property, that is reaction with water, that we'll be doing today. Reaction with oxygen. So here we have to discuss about the nature of metallic oxide and nature of non-metallic oxide, या फिर oxides of non-metal. So now today we'll start with reaction with water. Okay, so reaction with water. Now see how metals and non-metals reacts with water. Does metal react with water? Yes, of course, metals react with water. Take for example, we'll be taking three metals, okay, like sodium, aluminium and iron. There are many more metals are there, but we'll touch these three. Okay, potassium and sodium are very reactive metals. They react vigorously in air, even in water. So first we should know, whenever metal comes in contact with water, reaction will take place, and if reaction takes place, that means formation of new product, that may be metal oxide और मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड. ठीक है, मेटल जब भी वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है वो मेटल ऑक्साइड बनाता है या फिर मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड बनाता है. कोई भी मेटल हो, जैसे सोडियम है तो सोडियम अगर वाटर के साथ में रिएक्ट करेगा तो क्या बनाएगा, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. वैसे ही जैसे यहाँ मेटल, सोडियम क्या है, मेटल है, मेटल हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड या फिर मेटल ऑक्साइड भी बना सकता है डायरेक्ट. दैट विल बी डूइंग हियर इन द नेक्स्ट examples. Plus hydrogen gas will be released. Now how do we know that hydrogen gas will be released? That by doing an experiment we'll know that in this reaction hydrogen gas also evolved. Now so for first example we are taking, that is sodium. Sodium का symbol है Na. Whenever sodium comes in contact with water, H2O, water, reaction will take place and form sodium hydroxide, that means NaOH, sodium hydroxide, plus hydrogen gas will be eliminated. Okay, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas will be eliminated whenever this reaction takes place. Take for example, आपने एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लिया है, ठीक है, टेस्ट ट्यूब में सोडियम आपने थोड़ा सा डाला, उसमें आपने क्या क्या, फ्यू अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर यू हैव एडेड. सो विगोरसली देयर विल बी रिएक्शन because sodium is very reactive metal even in air or in water. So vigorously reaction will take place and form new salt, that is sodium hydroxide. That in sodium hydroxide, this new product, okay, when this reaction takes place, you just burn a matchstick or a candle, bring that burning candle or matchstick near the test tube, the end of test tube, you will hear a pop sound, that is what, hydrogen. That pop sound happens because of hydrogen gas has been released during this reaction. Okay, so next is aluminium plus water. Means when aluminium is added with water, when aluminium, you have taken some pieces of aluminium, add some water in the test tube, so you will see that aluminium oxide is been formed. Aluminium oxide, likewise I have said here metal oxide या फिर मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड. तो पहला एग्जांपल में हमने देखा कि यहाँ मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड बना, सोडियम मेटल है तो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बना. तो उसी तरह से यहाँ पे क्या है, मेटल ऑक्साइड बना. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी द symbol equation. So aluminium, Al, aluminium, when it comes in contact with water, reaction will takes place. So it will form new product, that is Al2O3, aluminium oxide. Here there is no hydroxide, means hydrogen is not present. Metal oxide, ठीक है, aluminium is metal and oxide, metal का oxide बना, तो metal oxide plus here also hydrogen gas will be eliminated. Why? Because we know that whenever metal react with water, metal oxide और metal hydroxide form होता है, साथ ही साथ hydrogen gas भी eliminate होता है. Okay, so next metal will be taking आयरन. वेरी सिंपल, रस्टिंग देखा है आप लोगों ने. सो रस्टिंग कैसे होता है, रस्टिंग या फिर आयरन कैसे वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करता है. सो व्हेनेवर यू मिक्स आयरन विथ वाटर, सो यू विल सी दैट आयरन इट मोस्टली रिएक्ट विथ द स्टीम, इजंट इट. सो जब आयरन का सिंबल होता है Fe, when it comes in contact with water, slowly reaction will take place and will form iron oxide या फिर ferric oxide, that means Fe2O3 means ferric oxide, okay, या iron oxide. It can be called as ferric oxide too, FeRRIC, ferric oxide. So whenever iron comes in contact with water, reaction will take place and will form new product, that is ferric oxide या फिर iron oxide, and hydrogen gas will be eliminated. So here, so far in the equations, in the chemical reactions, we have many reactions. We have done many reactions where we have done word equation also. जो हम wording में लिखते हैं, these are word equation, and symbol में अगर लिखते हैं तो they are called as symbol equations. Now ये तो आपने word equation लिखा, symbol equation लिखा, but जब भी एग्जाम में ये पूछे तो आपको इसको लैंग्वेज में लिखना है. लैंग्वेज में कैसे लिखोगे? जैसे कि when sodium comes in contact with water, reaction will take place and will form new product, that is sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas will be eliminated या फिर evolved. So in that way you have to complete the equation. ठीक है, this is word equation and this is symbol equation, and here also you have to write in language. जो भी reactions हो रहा है इसको language में लिखना है. Now next you see here I have given some point to you, that means which metal react with what kind of water. What kind of water means, kind means if that metal react with cold water or hot water or with steam. Okay, so here you can see sodium and potassium, very reactive metal. So sodium, potassium and calcium reacts with cold water. They can even react with in cold water also. So magnesium, it reacts with hot water. Aluminium, zinc and iron, it mostly react with steam. Yes, of course, iron also react in cold water, slow process, but it also react with the steam. Steam means like vapor, isn't it? Copper, lead and gold, these are three metals, like, or many more metals are also there, like silver. Okay, metal, copper, lead, gold, they does not react with water, they directly does not react with water. ठीक है, जैसे लीड हो गया या गोल्ड हो गया या सिल्वर हो गया, ये कभी वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. हाँ, कॉपर क्या होता है, वेपर्स के साथ में या जो मॉइस्ट होता है उसमें रिएक्शन करता है इन when it comes in contact with like moist में means थोड़ा सा वाटर का, जैसे मॉइस्ट हो गया, मॉइस्ट में क्या क्या होता है, वाटर कंटेन्स वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स या फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन, है कि नहीं, तो कॉपर उसके साथ रिएक्ट करता है. एंड लाइक लीड, गोल्ड, सिल्वर डज नॉट रिएक्ट विथ वाटर एट ऑल. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रिएक्शन ऑफ नॉन मेटल विथ वाटर. सो फॉर यहाँ हमने डिस्कस किया हाउ मेटल रिएक्ट विथ वाटर. नाउ वील ऑल्सो हैव टू डू कंपेरिजन वेदर नॉन मेटल रिएक्ट्स विथ वाटर और नॉट. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to know that non-metals does not react with water. Non-metals कभी भी water के साथ में react नहीं करते हैं, but there is one non-metal that is phosphorus. ठीक है, फॉस्फोरस एक नॉन मेटल है जो दैट इज़ वेरी रिएक्टिव नॉन मेटल, जो सबसे रिएक्टिव मेटल है, बट दैट डज नॉट रिएक्ट विथ वाटर. इवन वो उसको क्या करते हैं, वाटर में रखते हैं, वाटर के अंदर रखते हैं, सो दैट इट डज नॉट get reacted when it is exposed or comes in contact with air. So here say non-metal does not react with water. Phosphorus is very reactive non-metal, reacts or catch fire when exposed to air. To prevent the contact of phosphorus with oxygen, it is stored in water. Understood? That means phosphorus जो क्या है, हवा के कंटेक्ट में आने से, एयर के कंटेक्ट में आने से रिएक्शन हो जाता है. सो टू अवॉइड दैट रिएक्शन, टू protect this phosphorus that is non-metal, that phosphorus is stored in water. So that means what? Non-metal does not react with water. So here we complete our video for today, and the next video will be discussing the next chemical property, that is that number third is reactions. Third chemical property is reaction with acid. So how metals and non-metals react with acid. So we'll be discussing that in the next video. Thank you.